morning from beautiful Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Chandler Daggett, and I am sitting aboard the all-new Galeon 510 Sky here at Lake of the Ozarks. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the boat, and if you like what you see, be sure and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So let's grab our coffees, let's go walk through the boat. One of the great things about the Galeon 510 Sky is beach mode. As you can see here, we've got the aft seating turned. We don't have it turned all the way around. We can, but we can pivot this every 30 degrees. So it just depends on how you want to use it. All right, let me show you just how easy it is to move the aft seat. You pull that pin. That's simple. So here we have our starboard side wing down, and we have the ability to reverse our seating here in the cockpit, in the Salon, so that this bench can be forward or back. So this is a great place for mom and dad to sit while the kids just run and jump off the boat. So here's one of the really great things about the 510 Sky, is this bar setup. As we sit here at the bar, I have the ability from the bar side, great communication. I can literally have Ben hand me a drink, but I can also be out here, out in the open, enjoying the lake with my family. So one of the great things about Galeon, seamless transition here between this 3-section sliding glass door that comes all the way in, is we step into the galley aft. It's built for entertaining. You've got open air on both sides. I've got the ability to communicate with everybody back here still. This is a fantastic setup for entertaining out on the water. So, this galley is definitely built for entertaining and cooking if you want. We actually have 2 refrigerators, one here, another here. We have a convection oven, range top, sink, with a built-in cutting board right there. It's a great place to prepare meals out here on the water. All right, so as we move up into the helm station, you can see we've got a sliding TV. It disappears down into the cabinets here. And then massive seating here for entertaining. This does drop down. We can make this into a bed if we want. And if you have a ton of people here, these are little ottomans that will slide over so you can have seats. So sitting here at the helm of the 510, visibility. I mean, that's the key word. You have glass everywhere. We have, if you look over to the port side now, you can see I'm putting that port window down. We have the sunroof open above, starboard side window down. And then if you look back to the back, we've got all of that down. Bow and stern thruster. I have no problem captaining the boat from right here, and I have no problem with visibility. And if you like the open air, you can see we've got the ability to get all kinds of air in here. As on all SKYDECKs, this is the really cool part here. So it looks like an express cruiser. We've got the ability to open the entire deck, or the top, excuse me, by hitting this button, and then we transition to a huge SKYDECK up top. Tons of seating, lots of room to entertain, and this is a great place to drive and captain the boat, but it's fun to drive from up here as well. So when it comes to entertaining out on the water, one of the great things about this Galeon is the ability to grill out. So you've got a summer kitchen right here on the back. When it comes to storage, this 510 Sky has a massive tender garage. Common theme among all of our Galeons is this incredible swim platform with the steps that go into the water. It's really easy to engage. So one of the great benefits of this at Lake of the Ozarks is when you're coving out and you just want to put the lift down into the water just a little bit to stay cool, that's all you have to do. Now, instead of having to make the transition with that giant gap, I can easily walk down the steps into the water. So now let's make our way up to the bow of the boat. One thing to keep in mind as we walk forward is the ease in which you can walk the gunnels on the Galeons. Look at the wide space that we've got. You can safely navigate your way all the way forward. And then we have bow pit seating. Look at this entertaining area here. Up here on the bow, we can easily sit 6 to 8 people, adults, while you're out there on the water enjoying the lake, coved out. This is just a great place to sit back and enjoy the boat. As we make our way down below deck, this is the forward VIP stateroom. One thing to keep in mind and to pay attention to is the attention to detail. This is the common theme throughout all Galeon. We have the Alcantara suede, we have the handmade, handcrafted wooden doors, and look at the natural light when you are in this room. So the VIP stateroom and the bunk room here share this head, separate head from the master. As we make our way back to the master, we'll start with the master head. One thing that stands out is the elegance in the design of this head. So as we make our way back to the master stateroom, it's a full beam master. Great sight lines at the water. Tremendous storage. We'll get a closet here. TV, washer dryer combo, plenty of storage over here, and we've got a nice settee here with a makeup drawer. So this is Chandler Daggett, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video with us. The Galeon 510 Sky is an incredible boat. To come check it out and come take your test drive, give us a call at 573-365-5382, or always check us out online at www.marinemax.com.